Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this looks like a big WXY, looks like three waves up, looks like three waves down. I think it most likely is going to go up for a three-way pattern to the upside, most likely eventually take out these highs and end up looking something like this, probably going all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think we have the wave B complete. So right here, I think is the completion of the wave B of wave Y. That means that this is a subdivision wave 1. This is most likely a subdivision wave 2. And I still think this is more likely over the coming weeks and months to eventually go up and make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y, because a wave C should be a 5-way pattern, just like the wave A was a 5-way pattern. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, this one does look more convincing that the correction is already over. I think it looks like nice 3 waves down, 5 waves up should be a 1, 3 waves down should be a 2. Nice break of structure should be a subdivision 1. This should be a 3-wave pattern, subdivision 2. So that makes this a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3. I think this is more likely over the coming weeks and months to continue this uptrend, making that wave 3 of wave 3 to form the pattern that I was showing on the weekly and monthly time frames. Taking it down to the 4-hour time frame, I mean, this thing looks extremely corrective to me. Now, we do have interest rate coming out next week for the US dollar, so this move actually may not be over yet. I think there's a chance that the US dollar pairs may be kind of rangy for the next week or so until we get that news next Wednesday. But I definitely am still looking at this as a correction to this move up. I still think it's going to make some sort of a 3-way pattern, make a Fibonacci bounce, eventually give you a nice clear break of structure and a nice entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where you kind of wonder, because this is really 5 waves down. A. This looks like 3 waves up. B. Nice little push down to the 38% fib level. We may already have the end of an ABC correction. If that's the case, then this possibly may just keep on trending up. Like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, it could turn into a bigger correction and possibly go down to one of these lower fib levels first before it does end up continuing the uptrend. But for me, either way, whether it continues up now or whether it goes down and continues up later, either way, until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, I am definitely bullish and I am definitely looking for longs at the end of pullback corrections. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.